To troubleshoot YouTube TV that won't play live TV, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your internet speed is at least 13 megabits per second for a smooth streaming experience. Restart your router and modem to refresh your connection. Next, check for any outages or maintenance in your area by visiting the YouTube TV help page. If there are no outages, proceed to check your device and app. Ensure your device is compatible with YouTube TV and that the app is up to date. If you are using a streaming device, try restarting it. For smart TVs, restart the TV and the YouTube TV app. For mobile devices, close the app, restart your device, and then reopen the app. Also, check your account status and ensure that your subscription is active and that you have not exceeded the maximum number of streams allowed. If you are still having trouble, try clearing the app cache and data. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to YouTube TV support for further assistance. Remember to provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages you may have seen. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with YouTube TV not playing live TV. Always ensure your internet connection is stable, your device and app are up to date, and your account is in good standing to avoid any issues with streaming live TV on YouTube TV.